Coming in on India Today. Remember, it's a big day because the railways and the passenger trains were about to begin from tomorrow. The bookings begin today, but information coming in that the IRCTC website has slowed down. As soon as online bookings opened, it was supposed to begin at about 4 p.m. just about a short while ago, and it is already facing some problems. This was for the reservation for the passenger trains. However, the Railways has clarified, and the clarification statement is as follows, that the IRCTC website has not crashed. It is only the data that is being uploaded, and therefore perhaps some delay, it seems, could be observed by people who are logging in to the IRCTC website. Right at about 4 p.m, the bookings were all set to open, and it is very clear that for the first time since the lockdown started in March, that there must have been a huge influx on the website of the IRCTC, and there is some reported problems being observed. However, clarification coming in from Railways. Milan Sharma joining me on the phone line. Milan, what is the Railways statement on these issues being developed by the website? What precisely are the problems being faced?
Well, exactly, Pooja, as and when the bookings have started, the Railways was expecting a rush of people on the website who will be looking to book tickets. But the Railway says that data is currently being uploaded pertaining to the special trains in the IRCTC website. And the trail bookings, the Railway says, will be available in a short while from now. They have said that inconvenience is regretted. However, this time of 4 p.m. was announced earlier on by the Railways.
Okay.
And considering the huge amount of interest that the people had to book tickets to various places that they wanted to go, people started booking right at dot at 4 o'clock, which is why the website is experiencing some problems right now. But the Railways is saying that the data pertaining to the routes of the special trains is currently being fed. It's taking some time, and that the website will be up and running shortly.
Also, Milan, can you take us through what are the routes that have been scheduled and decided by the Railways that people must have been logging in from their respective areas into this website for?
Well, yes. In fact, the Railways had, taken out a plan of these special trains. Many of them will begin from New Delhi. So there are trains going from New Delhi to Howrah and back. The other trains that will be flying are between New Delhi to Dibrugarh, New Delhi, Jammu Tawi, Bangalore to New Delhi, Thiruvananthapuram to New Delhi, Chennai to New Delhi, Bilaspur to New Delhi, Ranchi to New Delhi, Mumbai Central to New Delhi,
okay,
and as well as Ahmedabad to New Delhi. There are trains going towards Agartala, Bhubaneswar, as well Sikandrabad to New Delhi. So there are 30 such special trains that are currently going to be run by the Railways. And these are going to be the major routes. There are going to be very little stoppages in between these routes also. So therefore, if a train is going from, say, Delhi to Patna junction, so it's possible that it may not stop at certain stations like Prayagraj junction or Kanpur Central. So we'll have to wait and see. That is the kind of data that is being uploaded right now. So for more clarity, the Railways is working to upload this data plan.
All right, so the Ministry of Railways has said that the data pertaining to special trains is being fed in the website, and the train ticket bookings will soon be available. Inconvenience is regretted. So what is the problem being faced? My colleague Ankit Tyagi is giving us a live update from the newsroom. Ankit, what precisely is the problem that's being faced? Take us through.
All right, so at this point of time, because the government had said that at 4 o'clock, the website will be open, because there is only one way to book the ticket, that is e-ticketing, that is going on to the railway website or to the app and try and book the ticket. So let's just see if at this point of time that is possible or not. This is the IRCTC your website. We've just clicked on it. At this point of time, it is slightly slow. What we have also been told is that so far the Railways is uploading, as you were saying, some data on this regarding the new trains, and that is possibly taking a lot of time. And plus there is massive traffic, at this as we speak. A lot of people have been trying to book the tickets. Now we are on the window. As soon as this window comes, it gives you a COVID-19 alert. In the wake of COVID-19 and a measure of abundant caution, booking has been suspended for all routes. This is what it has been saying. But if you click on OK, this is your booking window. Let's just see if from New Delhi, you can book a ticket to Howrah. That is one of the route which is permitted, and yeah, Howrah Junction. And if I book the ticket for tomorrow, because the trains are going to run tomorrow, and it also said that it will only be in AC classes. So let's say if we book second tier AC, I'm flexible with dates and find trains. So Pooja, a lot of people, this is what is happening right now. And this tells you that there is still a lot of fine tuning that needs to be done, because the message that comes in is in the wake of COVID-19 and as a measure of abundant caution, the government, look at this once again, all bookings have been suspended in this route, on this route for all trains until further advice. The order has come, but as the railways have been telling us that they are right now fine-tuning it. So if you are waiting right now and trying to book the ticket for tomorrow, it may take a few hours before you would actually be able to do that. The website is being now tweaked and to make sure that all these trains, the special trains which are going to run, data pertaining to all those trains could be feeded into this data.
Ankit, my second question to that is, like, you're showing us that live update, which is very crucial to understand what precisely are the problems being faced. Shouldn't the railways have been prepared? Because they definitely were expecting a huge influx. We're talking about lakhs of people who would wanted to travel. So now to say that data is being uploaded, please wait, this is going to create more chaos and confusion.
I think this has been more or less the trademark of this entire lockdown situation. Orders are announced and then actions are taken after that, so that those orders can be implemented without any hitch. You're absolutely right. This should have been done. It's not that the railways wouldn't have known it and suddenly it has been announced and now they are working on it. This possibly was in works for the last few days, and it's only been revealed to our sources yesterday and now formally being announced. So this is in fact a matter of concern, and the railways should be answering this. Why is it? So if you know that this has been almost 48 days of the lockdown, thousands and lakhs of people stuck. If from Delhi today I want to travel tomorrow, that is when the trains are going to start, I'm not able to book the tickets. And, you know, as the day progresses, already there are certain restrictions that you can't take more than, passengers can only travel. How will be the modalities if somebody wants to travel from, let's say, a Noida or a Gurgaon, where the borders are sealed, to the railway station? Will the ticket, the e-ticket, will it work as an e-pass as well? All those modalities need to be clarified as far as the government is concerned. But this is going to be a big worry, Pooja. At this point of time, the government has announced that from 4 p.m. you can go ahead and book the tickets, but it doesn't seem that they are prepared for it.
So as of now, Ankit, just a final question, that while you're trying to log in to a destination and a date, it is not giving you any specific idea when you must log in again. It is just telling you that there is a delay and asking you to wait on.
Right. In fact, Pooja, let me first tell you, there is an update which has come in right now, which says that the data pertaining to special trains is being fed on the Indian Railway website. The train ticket bookings will be available in a short while. Please wait. Inconvenience is regretted, is what the Railway Ministry has just tweeted. So they have also now put out a tweet, but it brings us back to the question that you were asking originally. Should this have not been sorted out before, in fact, they went and announced that from 4 p.m. the websites would be open? This is what the tweet says, Pooja. Let me just show it to our viewers. In fact, we'll try and click this tweet here on the big screen so that we can get a better understanding of what the Indian Railways is saying. This is the Rail Ministry website, Rail Ministry India Twitter handle.
Yes.
They have tweeted right now. And this is the tweet. Data pertaining to special trains is being fed into the IRC system. The train booking will be available in a short while. Please wait. The inconvenience is regretted. So we are hoping, Pooja, that in a short while from now, this process will begin. This is just the beginning of the relaxation of getting the country back on track as far as the lockdown pertaining to COVID-19 is concerned.
All right, we would like to stay on with this story because it seems that a lot of people are logging in. They're also confused because they must have been trying to log in, trying to book tickets. Ankit, while Railways is defending, saying it's only the data that's being uploaded, we'll look at it, please, the inconvenience is regretted, wait for a short while. Just to think how many people would have waited for this moment and then to try and log in at 4 p.m. as was announced, as was confirmed, and then to be told, wait longer because we're not yet ready.
That's right. It only adds to the anxiety. I mean, and remember, this is not the special migrant train, the Shramik trains which are already running. These are the special trains, 15 of them, which have been approved by the government of India. And now these trains would be running from Delhi to 15 various destinations like Patna, Howrah. There are certain restrictions which the government and certain, precautions the government has already announced. Ticketing will be only e-ticketing. 54 people in a 72 coach. Usually the capacity of a coach is 72. Only 54 seats will be in fact given.
Yes.
Everybody will have to sit wearing a mask. Apart from that, they have also said that bring your own linen. The Railways is not going to provide the linen as far as these journeys are concerned. Only dry, packaged food and water would be available on special prices. Apart from that, the railway also says that you can't come with people, in fact your family dropping you there. Only the passengers and the driver would be allowed. There are still few clarities that are required, not only about by when will the people be able to start the booking of the tickets, but also about if I'm traveling from Gurgaon or a satellite town, Noida, let's say to the New Delhi railway station, will my e-ticket be considered as an e-pass as well? How many people can travel in one car? And since the public transport is completely out of gear, will it only be if you have a private vehicle?
As soon as possible, because this has been a long wait, and now as well there's going to be a delay for long. But Railways says only the data is being uploaded, and in a short while the bookings will again resume. Ankit Tyagi and Milan Sharma, thank you so much for all the latest. Some breaking news coming in from the Prime Minister, Chief Minister.